The Handy Softkeys Pro version provides you with the ability to customize 6 soft keys that simulate quick launch buttons of any app on your phone or the back, home, and recent navigation buttons. Another improvement from the free version is that it does not contain any battery draining advertisements. It requires little permission and does not need a rooted device. It is perfect for those with broken soft keys or those who want a more convenient way to access frequently used apps. First, install the app in the Google Play Store. Then, navigate to Settings and select Accessibility. Select Handy Softkeys. Switch the toggle to On to enable the app. Restart the device and the trigger spot, which is a small arrow, will show up on the right edge of the screen. It will fade off in seconds, but touching the screen at any location or rotating the device will make it appear again. The trigger spot can be placed anywhere along the edges of the screen by first pressing and holding the trigger spot until the device vibrates. Then, drag it to wherever you want and release. To access the first 3 soft keys, in my case, there are the 3 navigation buttons for Nexus. Touch the trigger spot, glide your finger to one of the 3 navigation icons, and release. To access the other 3 soft keys, touch the trigger spot, release immediately, and press the app you want to open. Double-touch the center of Pi controls to bring up the settings interface where you can customize the app. For example, you can change the color of the Pi controls and the trigger spot. After selecting a color for trigger spot, it is easy to set the same color for Pi controls by selecting Sync from trigger spot, or vice versa, beside the color. Set the transparency to 0% to hide the trigger spot, and it won't show up unless its set location is touched, or when rotating your device. Pi controls disappears right after one of the 3 navigation buttons is released, but for the back key, you may want to press it several times when using a web browser. If so, check Keep Up as normal. You can also choose to have the Pi controls stay on the screen permanently if your screen is big enough. After finding a suitable location for the trigger spot, you can also disable the relocation function temporarily. Under Key Settings, you can choose your soft keys by pressing on one of the 6 icons, and a drop-down list of navigation buttons and all the apps installed on your phone will show up. Please remember to press the Save button if you want to keep the changes. And that's about it. Don't hesitate to purchase Handy Softkeys Pro today.